What's up, YouTube? So today I'm freaking excited because we are going to finally install my Tomei catback exhaust on the Subaru STI. Now, I've done a lot of little modifications here and there for the STI, but nothing this big. So this is probably the most exciting modification that I have done this far. I hope you guys enjoy it. Catch you guys soon. Real quick, I know I didn't have the video of the full installation for the catback, but I just wanted to show everybody the hanger. This bolt, this is a brace. It hugs the entire canister for the muffler. And then we go over here. That's a brace. It's a 13-volt brace and 2 springs. Right there and up there. Now, this is the muffler attached to the mid pipe. Now let's go see the mid pipe. Here's the mid pipe. It's also a bolt with a brace. These 2 spring latches go with pressure. They're pretty tough to put on, but not so much after you've done it once. So we got muffler, 1 brace, and then mid pipe with the brace right there, mid pipe brace. So we got 2 bolts here, J pipe, 2 mid pipe. We go up here, we go up here. This is still the mid pipe, and then we got a brace here with the 2 latches. And then we keep moving, and then we have the muffler attached to the mid pipe. And like I said, we have the muffler hung with the hanger up there and the muffler brace as well. Pretty easy. It took us about maybe an hour or so, an hour and 15 minutes. But that was the installation. Pretty easy. first impressions, love the catback, the full system. It's just quality. You can't go wrong with the Tomei. So there it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna be making another video next week. I'm gonna be installing the Parent Performance 20mm spacers. I'm keeping my stock wheels, so I just want to bring them out and flush them out with their fender. So stay tuned for that one. Feel free to drop any comments down there of like maybe future modifications that you guys would like to see. I still haven't gotten an access port, but that's on the way for sure, sometime early next year, and we'll go from there. But yes, please feel free to like, subscribe, whatever. And I haven't forgotten about the ride along video to the Fast and the Furious house, so I'm gonna be doing that one too. I might do it when I install the spacers. Just go on for a little ride along and snap a couple pictures on that house, because I haven't taken this car there yet, and I live so close to this house. Y'all don't even understand how close I live to it. But that's what the ride along video is gonna be about. So I'll catch you guys later, and yep, stay cool. Localized ratchets, just gotta have it. I call the rappers as bouncing.